most of the salaried employees doesn't have 1 month of savings. Stats say that 60% of the people in this world doesn't have 1 month of savings. Why does it mean for me? Mm, let's say if there is an accident or a medical emergency or you get fired from your job, you will get nothing, just a loss for your finances. It can be avoided just in an emergency fund. Let me explain you what is emergency fund. It is a buffer. You can use it when there is a job loss or a medical emergency or in some sort of any urgency where your salary is not you getting. Um, how much it should be? If you want to save this, it should be at least 3 to 6 months, and at most it can be 1 year or depending upon your wish. And some might say that like 1 lakh. I have invested money in the stock market. I can use it when there is a medical emergency. All might say, but it is totally wrong. And the market is uncertain, and markets can be volatile, and your investment may be down. You may lose your money. You may book in. It create a more opportunity cost. So it can be just avoided by just uh, saving your emergency fund in your bank account. Let me say how to save this first. You may save this in just in your FDs or savings account, uh, in just a bank account if for or in cash if you are willing to. And why not? Some might ask, why not stocks? Why not gold? Why not something else? But the problem is the volatility of the market cannot be predicted, and the markets can be go down in value and may lose your profits. And